Good evening, everyone. This is Maurice from the Triple M Model Railroad. Tonight, I am presenting you the first old gauge model that I'm working on. Yes, I finally went on the other side of the fence. We got this old gauge here, and I have no track for it. How well prepared I am. Actually, this is a repair from Willis Hobbies, and it appears to be a very simple repair. What's going on with this model is that the client stated that there is an issue with the wiring to the truck, and there's only one wire that goes to one truck, and that's the truck that's on the right hand side. As you can see, there's the third or middle rail, third rail wheel, whatever you want to call it. And inside of there, you can actually see there's a wire right there. And it looks like it's not in very good shape. So what I'm going to do is, I got this wire here. Hopefully it's long enough. Once I take the model apart, I will know for sure what the damage is. But it kind of feels kind of, I don't know, kind of looks kind of, I don't know. It has a lot of, yeah, I won't say it's a lot of tension, but it's not in a good place right now. It's probably causing a short on the chassis here. That's probably what's going on. Hopefully it didn't damage the lights. I have no way of testing it because I don't have a track and a transformer. I guess I'm gonna have to test this at Willis tomorrow when I go in and see, see if I actually address it. That's again if that wire is actually long enough for what I need to do. And I will get some track. I was kind of reluctant. I don't know why, but I'm gonna have to get the track, and I'm gonna have to get the transformer, which is called the CW80. I'm gonna have to bite the bullet and buy it. Since I'm gonna be working on these Lionel models, so I'm gonna take it from there. So I'm gonna disassemble the model, and we're gonna take a look and see what's going on with it. Okity dokity pokity. Alright, so let's take a look at this for a second. As you can see, there's three lights, and this is it here. And you can see clear, well, I'm about to say see clearly, hold on. You can see clearly the wire is actually, pretty badly frayed. And it looks like it's held down by this tape. Look like I'm gonna have to do some rigging and jigging on this thing. Let's take this tape off. It's pretty. Let's see what it looks like. This tape is pretty bloody tough. Come on. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this is not. Okay, I look like I'm gonna have to do. And like it's been spliced. Okay. Yeah, this thing is pretty jacked up. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to replace this wire. Yeah, I gotta place it, or maybe splice it again. But I gotta take this out. I gotta desolder it from the truck and put this new one in to address this issue. Looks simple enough, right? The body came off pretty simple. It's only 2 screws. So, yeah. So, I'm going to work on it. and see how it goes. Ooh, knock the light down. Oh, shucks. All right. Oh, that's easy to fix. Be right back. Okay, all right. We're back. Here we go. Now, this is what I've done. Since there was still plenty of wire, I didn't have to add a wire. I just had to cut the bad wire and just soldered the good one back in. And there she is, all soldered. Now what I did was I used some shrink wrap tubing. That's going to act like a sleeve, so it prevents from this wire rubbing on this. So that's what I'm going to do, and then tape this back up, and this should be good as new. And then we're going to test it on the track. This will be tomorrow, so we're going to take it from there. I'll take it to the shop, and then we're going to see if this works. I don't have any doubt that it won't work, but you never know. But I think this is going to be good. All right, good people, we're back here at Willis Hobbies the next morning, and we're going to test this out here. Got everything powered up. I hit the switch, and then we're going to see what happens. Put the power, and there we go. We're all set. Lights work. I like the way that looks. I don't know. But, all right. Everything is repaired and ready to go. So I can call the client and tell them it's ready. All right. So, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And everybody, have a good day. Peace.